Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty's Joy Forever. How are you guys? Hope so you all are doing well in your life and enjoy the better condition of your health. So dear viewers and dear subscriber, warmly welcome to my channel dedicated to all the things fun and fabulous nail art. In this video today, I bring you the latest trends and stunning acrylic nail designs, perfect for the cozy and colorful season of the autumn and all the season. Whether you are a nail art lover or a beginner looking for some inspiration, you have come to the right place. So dear viewers, join me as we explore a unique and very trendy autumnal themes for warm, earthy tones to rituals hues, and delves into the intricate patterns, textures, and innovative nail techniques that will elevate your nail game. So, dear viewers, stay with me along the full video because today in this video you can get very stylish and very trendy ideas about the nail designs. So dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out on my weekly and daily uploads filled with creativity, inspirations, and the art of expressing your unique styles through your fingertips. So dear viewers, get ready to embrace the beauty of fall with your breathtaking acrylic nail ideas. So dear friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends and family members also. And you can comment me because your comments are very valuable for me. So dear viewers, I suggest you to watch my video till end because in this video you can get amazing ideas about your beautiful fingernails, short nails, and all the types of the nails are here for you, all the occasions that can enhance the beauty of your hands and your fingers. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, please thumbs up for me and hit the bell icon button also, because by doing this you can get my daily upcoming and uploaded videos timely. So dear viewers, stay tuned, stay blessed, and keep watching, keep sharing. Thanks for watching. Take care.